I will show you how to preserve meat for a long period of time without a refrigerator. I will cut 1.5 kilograms of beef into smaller pieces. When buying meat, choose fattier cuts, neck or shoulder. Write to me in the comments from which country are you watching me? It's nice to know that we are watching each other all over the world. I will cut an onion. I will chop the garlic. I add olive oil to the pan. I'll add the meat. I put the pan on the stove and fry everything until done. I need clean and wash jars. I will fill the jars with meat. I add 1 tablespoon of salt to each jar. Botulism does not develop in a salty environment. I add 15 grams of salt to 1/2 kilogram of meat. I pour olive oil into the jars to cover the meat. I'll wipe the top of the jar. I will close the jars with clean lids. I need a deeper pot. I put a cloth on the bottom of the pot. I arrange the jars in the pot. I pour water up to the height of the lid. I put the pot on the stove, and from the moment the water boils, I will cook for 3 hours. I'll cover it. If the water evaporates, add water. After 3 hours of cooking, I will leave the jars to gradually cool in the water. The sound you heard indicates that the lid is well fitted. Store the jars in a dark and cool place until use. If you like the video, leave me a heart in the comment and like. Thank you.